Did you know that a zebra's stripes are as unique as a human's fingerprint? Or that ancient Romans tried to ride them in their circuses? That's right. These iconic black and white animals are so much more than just striped horses. Get ready, because today we're diving deep into the savannah to uncover 5 mind-blowing facts about zebras that will completely change the way you see them. I guarantee you haven't heard some of these before. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. First up, let's settle the age-old debate. Are zebras white with black stripes or black with white stripes? For years, people argued back and forth, but science finally has the answer. Drumroll, please. Zebras are black with white stripes. If you were to shave a zebra, you'd find that its skin underneath is uniformly black. The stripes are a result of specialized skin cells called melanocytes, which determine the color of the fur. In the white stripes, the melanin production is essentially turned off, while in the black stripes, it's turned on. So the white stripes are an addition to a fundamentally black coat. It's a fascinating bit of biology that gives us a clear answer to a classic question. Now for fact number 2, which is all about survival. Why do zebras even have stripes? It's not just for looks. Scientists have several compelling theories. The most popular one is that the stripes act as a form of camouflage, but not in the way you might think. It's not about blending into the background. Instead, when a herd of zebras moves together, their stripes create a dazzling, confusing optical illusion for predators like lions and hyenas. This is called motion dazzle. It makes it incredibly difficult for a predator to single out one individual zebra from the swirling mass of black and white lines. Imagine trying to catch one specific moving object in a sea of flashing lights. It is disorienting. Another theory suggests the stripes help deter biting flies like the tsetse fly, which are less attracted to striped surfaces. So their stripes are a built-in, multi-purpose defense system. Moving on to fact number 3, zebra family life is surprisingly complex and heartwarming. Zebras are highly social animals and live in small family groups called harems. A typical harem consists of one stallion, several mares, and their young foals. The bond within these families is incredibly strong. The stallion is the fierce protector, always on the lookout for danger, while the mares form a tight-knit hierarchy, with one lead mare often guiding the group to water and grazing spots. They communicate through a variety of sounds, from high-pitched barks to soft snorts, as well as through their body language, like the position of their ears and tail. If a family member gets separated, the others will search tirelessly for them. They even engage in mutual grooming, which reinforces social bonds. It's a beautiful display of loyalty and cooperation in the wild. Here's a fact you probably didn't see coming. There are actually 3 different species of zebra, and they are not all the same. Each species has a unique stripe pattern and lives in different parts of Africa. First, you have the plains zebra, which is the most common one we usually picture. They have broad stripes that cover their entire body, including their belly and legs right down to the hooves. Then there's the Grevy's zebra, which is the largest of the 3. It has much narrower, more numerous stripes that don't extend to its belly or the lower part of its legs, and it has a white belly. Finally, there's the mountain zebra, which, as its name suggests, lives in mountainous regions of southern Africa. It has narrower stripes than the plains zebra, but broader than the Grevy's, and it has a unique gridiron pattern on its rump and a white belly. Recognizing these differences adds a whole new layer of appreciation for the diversity within the zebra world. For our final and perhaps most surprising fact, let's talk about their kick. A zebra's kick is one of the most powerful and dangerous weapons in the animal kingdom. While they might look gentle, you do not want to be on the receiving end of a zebra's back leg. A single, well-aimed kick can seriously injure or even kill a predator, including a full-grown lion. Their powerful leg muscles allow them to deliver a kick with incredible force, and their hard hooves act like a hammer. They can kick backward with surprising accuracy, even while running at full speed. This powerful defense mechanism is crucial for their survival on the African plains, where they are constantly under threat. It is a stark reminder that these beautiful animals are wild and have evolved to be formidable survivors. They are far from being defenseless. And there you have it, 5 fascinating facts that prove zebras are some of the most interesting animals on the planet, from their true colors and the brilliant purpose of their stripes, to their tight-knit family structures, diverse species, and lethally powerful kicks. I hope you've learned something new and have a newfound respect for these incredible creatures. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing animal facts, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. Until next time, stay curious.